Dear students, welcome to the class on shapes of bacteria. So what is bacteria? The bacteria are, they are minute organisms which cannot be seen with naked eye. We need a microscope to observe microorganisms. And based on the shape, bacteria are classified into 4. They are cocci. Cocci are the bacteria which are seen in round shape. And this figure explains the round shaped bacteria. We can see them individually, in pairs, in clusters and in chains. And second one is bacilli, which are rod shaped bacteria. Here we can see they are elongated rod shaped bacteria which are called as bacilli. And next one is vibrio, which are comma shaped bacteria. This figure shows the comma shaped bacteria which are vibrio. And next is spirilla, which are spiral shaped bacteria which resembles the corkscrew shaped structures. And next we can see details of cocci. Cocci, singular of cocci is coccus. Coccus means round shaped bacteria which appear in single, as we discussed earlier, or in pair. When it appear in pair, they are known as diplococci. And when they appear in clusters, just like grape-like clusters, we can call them as staphylococci. And they can also seen in chains. Then we are calling them as streptococci. And they appear in clusters, then we call them as Schwarzina. And they appear as tetrads, in which 4 cocci can be seen. And this is a micrographic picture of electron micrographic picture of cocci in chains. It is Streptococcus pneumoniae, which is the causative agent of pneumonia. This picture also shows the cocci in clusters. This is electron microscopic photo of Staphylococcus. This is a normal microscopic image of Staphylococcus aureus. And this is the structure of bacilli, which are rod-shaped organism. Here we can see an interesting picture which is very clear. This is electron microscopic photo of bacillus. And the second one, it is a normal microscopic photo of image of bacillus. And the third one again, it is electron microscopic photo. And example, the most common example for bacillus is Escherichia coli, or we can call it as E. coli, which is normally found in our intestine. And they are both beneficial and some cases harmful to the intestine. E. coli, which is called as coliforms, they normally grow in our intestine and help in digestion and the production of some vitamins, and some bacillus which cause some problem or stomach problem also. And this is vibrio, as we have discussed, a comma shaped bacteria. You can see this is a clear picture, electron microscopic view, which is the causative agent of cholera. And this vibrio, we can see it is having a long flagella, which is the locomotor structure of this organism, which help this in moving from one position to another. So that's all for today's session. Thank you.